lot of existing materials in the market, but each of them have their own disadvantages. So, and that's the lack prevents of creation artificial organs that behaves like real human tissues. That's why we came up with our solution. We have created unique material, biomimetic spider silk. This material, it's very strong, flexible in the same time. It has superior biocompatibility, low immunogenicity, has high regenerative potential, and also tunable properties, which makes this material especially great for various medical applications. So we already have covered our intellectual property of obtaining our artificial spider silk by using the water as the only solvent. And also we have specific technology of modification. So we plan to start at the beginning with R&D partnership, then we go to medical materials, and afterwards to implant-grade materials as fast as we get the CE mark. So we plan to obtain more than 15 billion high market, which is medical device market. Because otherwise than our competitors, we can produce spider silk where we use only the water as the solvent, which allows us to get the great biocompatible material, which is non-animal based. So far, we have created the material, we have also scaled up the production, we have created many prototypes starting from the membranes for organ-on-a-chip solutions, also artificial heart valve, and now we are testing them with our potential customers. So we have signed 8 LOIs with the customers, and this year we plan to scale up the production even larger, and within next year we believe that we will be able to start our first sales for the non-medical applications. So in our team, we have experts in the biomedicine, in the business, and as well in the chemistry.